Hey guys, welcome back to Loose Nuts and Bolts. And for today's video, we will be doing a clutch master cylinder conversion. We are going to be using a master cylinder from a Honda 2000. The biggest difference with the Honda 2000 here is on the factory one, we got a remote cylinder. With the Honda 2000, we basically got it right on the actual clutch master cylinder itself. It'll kind of clean up the engine bay instead of having another tube in there. It'll kind of clean it up here. So, but one of the biggest things you got to worry about with this conversion is, I don't know if you guys can see this little spacer right here. Make sure you guys order the spacer. If not, this part right here, the little push rod, it's going to be a little bit too long. So just make sure you guys order the spacer here at this point. So here we go. Oh yeah, another thing I forgot to mention here, since this car originally came automatic, there's one extra step that I'm gonna have to do here. Let me get some lights in here real quick. So, I don't know if you guys can see that. You see that block off plate? With the automatics, at least with the Del Sols here and the Civics, they came with the block off plate. If you have a Civic already with the manual transmission, you will not have to deal, you won't have to deal with that block off plate. But essentially it's the same process. You have to go under the dash and undo the same 12mm bolt at this point. So, see you guys later. Hey guys, at this point basically I got the clutch master cylinder basically kind of resting in place right now. I don't know if you guys can see that, but basically I just need to get these two 12mm bolts on the inside. But since I don't have the actual clutch pedal, I do actually got to go to the junkyard and actually find one from a Civic. I won't be able to basically complete it today, but at least you guys will get the concept here. As you see, it's a lot cleaner here. So we're under the dash right now, so basically I need to get a nut over on this stud and then the stud right here. Okay guys, basically we're pretty much at a stopping point today. I'm still kind of waiting for some stuff getting ordered. Obviously there's always delays or back orders, but right now, at least for today's video, we got the S2000 clutch master cylinder installed with the adapter plate. But other than that, just don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media, and I'll see you guys on the next one.